Let's go on to our next challenge. So this one's called red flags, and basically the idea here is we're going to give you three situations. Now, within each situation, there are two things that are going great, which are the green flags, and then one thing that's not so great, that's a red flag. So 9 statements. I will be reading these to you. You have to choose which of these three situations you would rather be in. Yeah. So situation one is that Vibrant Moon has grown to 300 employees. You are working with global brands. Your attrition rate, however, is too high at this scale. Situation two is it's actually a very good situation given our conversation just now. But anyway, situation two is Vibrant Moon's client roster has grown 3 times in the last year. A network agency wants to acquire you, but your latest campaign with the client is received horribly by the public. And situation three is Vibrant Moon has opened offices in 3 cities across India. Your revenue and cash flow has never been healthier, but Chintan has to leave the company due to personal reasons. So, which of these three situations would you rather be in?
So it can be Chintan or it can be me as well, right? So
No,
let me
just
When we ask Chintan this question, we'll ask him with your name on it.
Right. So definitely not situation two. I don't think Vibrant Moon can ever be a network agency. We are not built that way. Our culture is not built that way. So if the network agency acquires us and if we sell it at a very hefty price, they will fail Vibrant Moon, I feel, or Vibrant Moon will fail them. Right? Something will happen. So situation two is out. So I think it's pretty difficult, 1 or 3. But I would still look at either Chintan or Ankit to leave the company due to personal reasons, and for that reason, it can be situation 3, right? I think so. Our goal is never to be 300 employees. Our goal is to touch 1 billion lives. Whether it takes 30 people, whether it takes 3,000 people or 300 people, it doesn't matter. It's irrespective of that. So I think 300 employees is something, and we don't even aspire that we have to only work with global brands. We work with some global brands like Tata. I think Curious, fair enough, I can say global brand. So we work with global brands. So I think situation 3, only caveat is Chintan or Ankit, whoever. Right?
Yeah, and I guess we spoke about the continuation and the succession of Vibrant Moon beyond the two of you. So
True.
that the fact that either or has to leave for personal reasons. So if that is it, then so be it.
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah, no, fair enough.